someone there that we can play these balls and these balls. So sometimes we have someone there, but there's nobody there, and sometimes it's the opposite. We need the both. That we win it, we play it, and then we bring it in the circle. That's it. Right and left. That's what you have to do. You have the space to do that. You did it, but this is missing. We can play. If we do that, we will speed up the game. They will have very, very difficult in the last 17 minutes. All right, continue to do that. Continue to play high. Don't step back. Pushing Jerry high. You're winning a lot of balls, guys, in the midfield, in the back. Continue to do that. You will continue to win balls and bring the danger up front. Perfect, right, guys?